Gotcha.
Milwaukee Tool Company gave us a peek at their new line of rotary hammers at the STAFDA event this week. They showed us 3 models, all with selectable speed. Most interesting about these tools is what they call the AVS, shock absorbing, which mitigates shock and vibration to the handles.
Also, you can do, these are 2 settings for hitting. You can do a soft setting or a hard setting. That's so you want to chip out a row of tile and not, shake your whole house down. You just hit that and chip out tile.
Stay tuned for more information on these models as it becomes available. And for all your Milwaukee tools, check out toolking.com.